Looks like I'm gonna have to find the perfect spot to hang this. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this gorgeous solar lantern. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. It's got a solar panel on top. It's got an on and off switch. I'm gonna cover it so you can see it light up. I don't know if you can see the lights in there. There's little lights in there. There, you can kind of see at the bottom there. I am gonna go ahead, and when it gets dark, I'm gonna come out here and show you guys just how cool this is. But this is like that. I can't tell if this is glass or if it's plastic. I really don't know. I have inspected further. This is definitely glass. So this is gonna light up so cool. Just has this little on and off button on the top that you push it to turn it on and off. And then when it gets dark, it's automatically going to light up. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna leave it right here for now. And when it gets dark, we're gonna come out here and see what it looks like. Oh, there we go. In case you couldn't see the lights before. Look, now you can see. See how there's a whole bunch of lights in there? So it's more than just one light. So this should actually light up really good when it gets dark. See how they went off when I moved it? I gotta figure out where I'm gonna hang it. But for now, we're gonna wait till dark and we'll come out here and check it out. Well, there you have it. So I do have a light on behind me to make it a little bit easier for you guys to see. But this thing is bright. Here we go. We're gonna see what it looks like when it's dark. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. That is adorable. It has a lot of lights in it. Like when I step back, look at how bright it is. I'm definitely gonna have to find a place to hang this because this is really cool. If you guys are looking for, I guess you could set it on a table too. You don't necessarily have to hang it, but if you guys are looking for a really, really pretty solar lantern, we recommend this.